music's like blowing bubbles, and the bubbles are like falling into the slime, so sorry for that. That is my sister. Mika 99, can you please get my sister to stay away?
Ow! You're kicking me!
Not kicking.
Stop. Where's the card? Where's the card?
Okay, guys, that is my mom right now. The voice you're hearing right now is just my mom.
فين يا ليلى يوتيوب دلوقتي هتلعب.
I do not. Okay.
Great. How do I do this? Please don't play now.
Sorry, guys. My mom really regrets naming me Cherry. Well, she doesn't regret, but my mom just really wanted my name to be Layla. She didn't know why she didn't think of it before.
Layla, please.
Okay. So yeah, just gonna continue with the slime and listen to the wonderful music while I'm doing the slime. Okay, guys, so I hope you like the music. And
Micos99 is about to live stream on Fortnite PS4. Go check it out. Micos99/YouTube. YouTube.com/Micos999/livestream broadcast. I don't know, just say /Micos99, MIKHAS999, aka MIKHAS999. Go check it out.
he will be live streaming right after this video.
No, I'm live streaming right now.
Oh, okay. Micos999 will be live streaming right now. And by the time Micos999's live stream is over, maybe an hour or two after Micos999's live stream is over, he will probably post this video.
Make it up.
Okay, guys, sorry for that loud bang. My alarm just fell over, but gladly, it's fine. Anyway, so we shall continue with the video. I will turn on the music right
Just
now.
1 second, I'm getting this. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, I've just turned on the music. I'm holding a cup.